This notice just hit my inbox. Amazon launched new offers where instead of getting paid $3 per registry, now you will get paid $30 per registry. This offer starts in June and ends in October. Now listen closely. If your Amazon account got banned due to self-clicking, you are not alone. That method is dead. Today I'm showing you the new, sustainable way to earn money on Amazon registry bounties using trending FIFA content. Here is the strategy. FIFA-related content is currently exploding. People are looking for FIFA agents, news, and updates. We leverage that traffic. Instead of clicking your own links, we use the Clipwise AI FIFA agents to create trending content that pulls in real, organic FIFA fans. Then we direct that traffic to the high-paying Amazon registry offers. It's legitimate, it's high volume, and most importantly, it keeps your account safe. Millions of people are searching for this content every single day. We tap into that traffic, not by creating content manually. That takes hours. We use Clipwise AI FIFA agents. You pick an agent, select your topic, and it generates trending FIFA content automatically. Then we direct that traffic to the high-paying Amazon registry offers. Real FIFA fans clicking real links. Amazon sees legitimate traffic from real users. Your account stays clean. You collect $30 per sign-up. This is the difference between gambling with your account and building something that actually lasts. But here's where most people mess up. Even with real traffic, they have to come from top-tier countries like US for high conversion. Also, if your automation infrastructure isn't clean, Amazon still flags you. Here's why. Amazon doesn't just watch what you do. It watches how you do it. Every time you log into your associate's account, every time a link gets clicked, Amazon checks the IP address behind that action. If that IP looks suspicious, a data center in Germany, a VPN exit node in the Netherlands, the same IP that 500 other marketers are using, Amazon's AI flags it instantly. Your account goes under review, your commissions freeze, and in most cases, you're banned permanently. No appeal, no second chance. That's why you need what I call the invisible layer. NodeMaven gives us access to over 55 million rotating residential IPs. Let me explain what that actually means. A residential IP is an IP address assigned by a real internet service provider, Comcast, AT&T, Spectrum, Verizon, to a real home in the United States. When you route your traffic through a NodeMaven residential proxy, Amazon doesn't see an automation tool. It sees a person sitting in their living room in Texas, browsing Amazon on their home Wi-Fi. Now compare that to a VPN. A VPN hides your real IP, but it replaces it with a data center IP. Amazon has databases of every known data center IP range on Earth. The moment your traffic comes from one of those IPs, you're marked. It's not a question of if you get caught, it's when. And here's the part that makes NodeMaven different from cheap proxy services. Cheap proxies reuse the same IPs across thousands of users. Those IPs get burned fast. Amazon blacklists them, Google blocks them, and your accounts die before they earn a single cent. NodeMaven rotates fresh residential IPs constantly. 98% proxy quality scores. Real ISP-backed addresses that have never been flagged. Don't cheap out here. If you use a bad proxy, the entire 24/7 automation setup is useless because your accounts will be dead before they earn anything. This invisible layer is what keeps your Clipwise traffic, your Amazon accounts, and your entire operation clean. Skip this step, and none of the rest matters. Get it right, and Amazon sees legitimate US-based traffic day after day, which means your account stays healthy, your commissions keep coming, and you can actually scale. And now let's set it up, step by step. First, open the NodeMaven link in the description below. Create your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll see this. Click on Settings, then select Residential Proxy. On Country, choose United States. On City, choose any with high rate. Then on Advanced Setting Protocol, choose HTTP Location Type, choose ISP, and select with high rate. Then on Session Type, choose Sticky, then on Number put 5, and copy your proxy ready to use. They're your key to staying invisible. Now open Ads Power. If you don't have an account yet, the link is in the description. Once inside, click Proxy, then Add Proxy. For protocol, choose HTTP. Paste the NodeMaven credentials you just copied. Click Save. Now create your browser profiles. Click Add Profile, select Bulk Create, choose Quick Create. Set the number of profiles. I'm doing 3 for this demo. Under Proxy, select the NodeMaven group you just saved. Click Random to generate unique browser fingerprints for each profile. Then hit Create. Open any profile to verify everything is working. Check the detected location. It should show the United States. If it does, your invisible layer is active. Your traffic now looks like it's coming from real US homes. Now let's build the asset that's going to generate the traffic, your FIFA YouTube channel. Inside Ads Power, open one of your browser profiles and log into a Google account. Once you're logged in, Go to YouTube and create a brand new channel focused entirely on FIFA content. Now here's the shortcut. I've prepared a master prompt for you. You'll find it in the description below. Copy the entire prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. That single prompt will generate everything you need: a professional FIFA channel name, a high-converting channel description, SEO keywords and tags, channel banner text, profile image ideas, content positioning strategy, about section content, upload defaults, and channel branding. Instead of spending hours thinking about names, designs, and keywords, ChatGPT creates the entire channel blueprint in seconds. Once ChatGPT gives you the assets, simply copy and paste them into your YouTube channel settings. Upload your profile image, create your channel banner, paste your channel description, add the suggested keywords. And just like that, your FIFA channel is ready to go. Now comes the automation part. Click the Clipwise AI link in the description below and create your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click Login and connect your account. Now we're going to automate content production. On the left menu, click Series. This is the feature that most people completely overlook. Instead of creating one video at a time, Series lets you create an entire publishing schedule automatically. Click Create Series. On the agent selection page, choose FIFA Clips. There are many different agents available, so you can experiment with other FIFA-related agents later. For this tutorial, we're using FIFA Clips because it's currently one of the fastest growing categories. Click Next. Clipwise will automatically generate trending FIFA topics for you. You don't need to research topics manually. You don't need to monitor trends. The AI handles that for you. Now you'll reach the scheduling section. You can either accept the recommended publishing schedule or customize your own posting times. For beginners, I recommend using the suggested schedule because it's already optimized. Click Next. Now you're on the final setup page. First, connect the YouTube channel you just created. Authorize the connection. Next, choose the AI voice you want for your videos. Preview a few voices and select the one that matches your audience. Once everything looks good, click Done. That's it. Clipwise now handles the entire process. It creates the videos automatically. It generates the content automatically. It uploads the videos automatically. And it publishes them automatically on the schedule you selected. Your FIFA channel is now running even when you're offline. While you're sleeping, working, or doing something else, new FIFA content is being published and attracting viewers around the clock. And that's exactly what we want. Consistent content, consistent traffic, consistent clicks, and a system that runs without you constantly sitting behind the computer. Now there's one more critical step that makes the whole system fully automated: your default YouTube description setup. Because once your videos start publishing automatically through Clipwise, you don't want to manually edit every upload. You want every video to already contain your affiliate link and CTA from the moment it goes live. Here's how you set it up. First, go to your Amazon Associates account. Click the menu icon, then go to Promotions. Scroll down until you find Prime for Young Adults Trial Plan, which pay $30 per registry. Click on it. Now copy your unique affiliate tracking link. This is the link that will be embedded in every video description. Next, we move to ChatGPT. You're going to use a second master prompt. This one is specifically designed to generate a high CTR YouTube default description. Paste your Amazon Prime affiliate link into the prompt and let ChatGPT generate a short, high-converting description that includes a strong attention-grabbing hook, a short explanation of the offer, a clear CTA, click the link below, SEO-friendly wording for YouTube ranking, your affiliate link embedded naturally. Once ChatGPT gives you the optimized description, copy it. Now go back to your YouTube channel settings. Open YouTube Studio settings, upload defaults description. Paste the full generated description there. Save it. From this point forward, every single video Clipwise uploads automatically will already include your affiliate link and optimized description without you touching anything manually. So instead of writing descriptions every time, your system is now fully automated. Clipwise creates and uploads the video. YouTube automatically adds your description. Your affiliate link is already inside every post, and traffic flows directly into your offer. This is what makes the system scalable. You're no longer managing videos one by one. You're running a content machine that publishes, promotes, and monetizes itself in the background. This gives you consistent trending content pushing traffic to those $30 Amazon bounties day after day automatically. You're not chasing views. The system is running while you sleep. So here's the full system. NodeMaven keeps your traffic invisible. Clipwise creates trending FIFA content automatically. Amazon pays you $30 per registry. Real money, real traffic, no bans. But remember, This $30 offer only runs June through October, and FIFA World Cup hype is peaking right now. The window is open. The traffic is there. The offer is live. Follow the steps correctly. Don't skip any. Once you receive your first payment, drop a comment below. I want to see those wins. And if you get stuck anywhere, drop a comment too. I'll help you. All I need from you is to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more money-making tips like this. If you want to know how I earn $1,000 selling AI PDF, kindly watch the video showing up on the screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.